Well, Midwest Model Railroad. I can safely say there is what? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items in HO scale. First up, heavy-duty container crane. Plastic kit. I should have figured that. It's Keeby, right? Oh, Scene Master. Ooh, a white boom truck. We got Scene Master. Oh, that's actually car parking, but I'm actually going to make it truck parking. It looks like there's a little strip that comes back around for something. I just wanted to see what it was. Oh, we got ambulance. What do we got? International? Yep, international. International ambulance. That was what? That's international too, isn't it? I'm going to actually see if I can take this body and take this body and mount it on a Peterbilt frame. Maybe one of my Burkinas. That looked good on the back of the black one, or even the white one. But I was going to convert this. Let's see, it's got the outriggers and the outriggers. I was going to see if I can take and put a crane back here instead of the big boom. And actually, oh, I know what I need. I need a rotator. I need a rotator. So then I got ladder truck. Is that American La France? No. I don't know what brand or truck that is. Ladder truck. So then we got another, oh, rescue squad truck. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I know. I guess I could tell you what I was going to plan on doing. Ooh, hazmat. That's the hazmat vehicle. Yep. It's going to be a nice little fire station on the layout. Got another boom truck. And, oh, got a third boom truck. 3 boom trucks. What am I going to do with 3 boom trucks? Too bad they didn't have red. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Oh, I ordered. Okay, so what didn't make it? The utility truck with bucket lift. There's only 1 in stock. I ordered 2, but they only had 1, so they're going to refund me 2 utility truck bucket lifts, but they sent me 3 instead. Nice. Okay, wow. So they sent me 3 instead of 2. So see right here, I ordered 2 utility truck with bucket lift, and they clearly sent me 3. There were supposed to be 2 of the utility truck with bucket. Oh, MOW. Yeah, so what's the difference? See, I don't see the difference. One of these is supposed to be an MOW. Which one is the MOW? There's no high rail. There's no rails on that. High wheel, or, you know, rail accessories. So what's the difference? What's What am I not seeing here? They all three look the same. But one of them is a MOW. So 2 were supposed to be MOWs, and they only had 1 in stock, so I'm getting a refund there. Or refund. And then there was only 2 straight utility truck bucket lifts. I don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 and 3. That's what I got. Like I said, nice little fire truck on the layout, or fire station on the layout. Actually, what I was going to do, I think I'm going to order me another one of these and order the LaFrance hook and ladder truck, which I hopefully will be bigger than this, taller for the ladder. Take this body off and mount that LaFrance trailer onto this. I think that would look cooler than the open cab LaFrance hook and ladder. See, look, people, it says ages 14 and up. Let's see, where's this? Flexible parking lot, made in Germany. Yep, even the parking lot's got 14 and up. So, that's what I got. I should have figured that was plastic. This is probably an old Kiwi kid. So, yep.